secret for long and happy life. Pakinggan po niyo to. For a long and happy life, number 1, eat half. Diet. Yung kinakain mo, hatiin mo lang yan. It'll be long and happy life. Nore, kaya mo isang lechon, kalahati lang. Ganun ba? You know, a lot of our sickness is because of the food we eat. Number 2, walk double. Galaw, exercise. Walking is good for the health. You know, I was sharing kanina with Father, we have an auntie, she started walking at the age of 65. Up to now, she's still walking. We don't know where she is. Please call us, huh? Okay. That brings me to number 3. Laugh triple. Tumawa ka. Some of you have not laughed for 1 month already. Kahit walang nakakatawa, kahit mag-isa ka lang, go ahead, tumawa ka. 11th commandment, don't take yourself too seriously. That's your problem. Wow, sumikat ka na, mayaman ka na, you take everything seriously. Excuse me. Lahat yan galing kay Lord, pwedeng mawala yan in one flick of a finger. You have problems? May Diyos, oh. Don't forget. In my most difficult moments, I said, Lord, bahala ka na sa akin. And I know He was there. You must trust God more and worry less. Worry tayo ng worry. Mayroon ba mga senior citizen dito? Hello, fellow senior citizen. Wave naman, wave. Uy, marunong na sila. Anong wino-worry palagi? Father, diabetes, arthritis, cancer, Father. Paala-ala lang, ha? Walang aalis sa mundo na ito na buhay. So what are you worried about? The more you worry, the more you hurry to the cemetery. Pakisabi mo nga yung katabi mo, the more you worry, the more you hurry. Father Orbos naman, patawa ng patawa, ang hirap-hirap na nga ng buhay. Precisely, ang hirap na nga ng buhay. Pinapahirapan mo pang sarili mo at yung kawawang mga tao sa paligid mo. Have you forgotten what God said? I am with you always. The joy of the Lord is my strength. And don't doubt that you are loved by God. Pag pumasok po yung doubt, si taning na yan. Mahal ka ng Diyos.
Nice to walk the weather. Not too hot, but the wind. Yeah, not too hot. How's the big boy there? Maybe there is a rain last night. No sand here, right? It's yeah, fishing area. Unlike there in the center, there is. Yeah, and the station here. This is a dry. This is a very private, Is that a bridge?
Yes. Auto Bridge. That's what I say in Brigantine. That's Brigantine. It's called
Brigantine.
That's Brigantine.
Yeah.
That's Brigantine.
Oh, there is another, but you cannot, ano. Oh my God.
The flagship. But these are coming.
Oh, it looks like there is in the under the board, the water.